morning and welcome to As E Dey Hot on top of the Chairman television station Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Today, na September 14th, na the start of a new week, and we don carry all the action tori wey happen for weekend come drop am. Make you sef carry your long spoon chook inside to talk am the way wey the thing be you for body. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. As usual, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother wey sabi well as take concern politics matter. As E Dey Hot.
Good morning, Nigerians. Good morning, our viewers and strong followers of the program As E Dey Hot. And welcome to another fresh week. Today will be 14th of September 2015. Yes, I will don't carry out come again. I will give now the waiting. The tear-over edition now they carry come today will be Monday. Give now all these stories will happen over the weekend and come top up with maybe come focus on so one or two major stories we know go eventually do it in Chukmat inside. My name now Unkubi, and the program still now As E Dey Hot.
We go begin our story with one thing when we say it happened for inside the Malkohi internally displaced person camp for inside Madagali for Adamawa State. We'll be here on Friday morning, September 11. Say Boko Haram Jaguda people, then I go speak English, infiltrate, that is, they enter inside the camp, can't go for one part of the place where we say people, they reside, can't do Goa inside that place. From the information we get, they talk say 7 people na by and 13 people na then get some kind injury. We know say our soldier people, they do all their best to pursue these Boko Haram Jaguda people come up for inside this our country. And we as Nigerian people, they give them all the support when we get to give them for inside this our Obodo, Nigeria. From what happened for the internally displaced persons camp, we go on to good news when they come out from our Nigerian army. The talk person, acting talk person of the Nigerian army come out, come talk say, the way when they put fire for the behind of the Boko Haram Jaguda people, say plenty of them don't begin they surrender. And the way when they surrender, so it don't show say our army them. The new strategies when they don't bring inside the fight against Boko Haram Jaguda people, say the thing they work. So in talk say they don't embark on the radicalization, that is all the bad things when they their mind, they won't wash them so that the thing go new, they not go they think bad thing. And government also promise say they go put in some new programs when go make young people not get anything when they do, when we say they just sit down for one place, one person could just come, just carry sweet mouth, toast them, make them begin to do bad thing. That one now get to do with our security for Nigeria from all the action to what happen for weekend.
Yes, the next story we'll look into asset declaration because we know say waiting the rain at this point in time now people wey they declare asset we know very well say Oga President, that is Oga Muhammad Buhari, and invite maybe Prof. Oshibajo then declare their asset like 2 weeks ago, and then a lot of people can also say one or two people can also follow suit, can also declare their asset. But what do they hear right about now? We say the governor of Imo State, that is Rochas Okorocha, and the counterpart for Edo State, that is Adams Oshimole, they talk say look if Mr. President like make you declare assets, but them say they not go declare any asset. They call the answer, why not go declare asset? Waiting Oga Rochas tell us we say so not by force to declare asset. Say at least they don't make a mandatory for them. Say even apart from that self, say instead they for government, say as long as they serve second term, say there is no point in declaring asset. But I can't ask myself, say even after your first term, you tell anybody say okay, when I enter, see the amount to I hold. Now I don't they come and see the amount where they my purse. Whether I add or subtract. No. I'll go Adams Oshimole also talk say look, say it is not mandatory. It is not mandatory that they do what? That they declare their asset before Nigerians. So now like that, then talk on that matter.
From asset declaration and the governors, when no one agree declare their assets, even after Oga Presido don't show example, declare his own, and then they claim say that they're the same political party. Let me leave it there. We go ministerial appointment, and they talk say if person begin the visit where they sell meat, is either say in go there go buy meat or in go price how much meat be. We get information say some people when they inside this our Obodo Nigeria, when we they respect, they don't go visit DSS, that is the Department of State Security. And this one get to do with the list of people when we say, Oga President talk say, he go make him ministers, when go serve for inside in government. Everybody for Nigeria remember say, Oga President don't promise say for September, say, he go declare him ministers them. So they thought say, these people, they go there, they visit. It be like say, since they never hear any bad thing about them, when make them, they go that place, is that say their name they inside the ministerial list. And some of these people now front line human rights activist and seasoned Lagos lawyer Oga Femi Falana. Ogbonge economist Professor Patrick Okedinachi Utomi himself follow. The former Oga of National Population Commission and NBC, his name na Chief Festus Odimegu, himself follow inside the matter. And one-time commissioner for finance for Lagos, Mr. Wale Edun, himself follow inside the arrangement. Former governor of Osun State, Prince Olagunsoye Oyinlola, they say himself don't visit the visit, and so many other people when they no agree mention their name. Now the question I say, if these people no get case to answer for DSS, now if they say na to go do screening so that their name go come out for inside the ministerial list. As Nigerians, we cross our fingers, they wait, because now the right people when go work with Oga President to move our country forward, now Nigerians they wait for. Now that one get to do with ministerial nominees for weekend. So.
Yes, the next story na Oga Presido still, and this time around he won't carry leg enter France. Yes, we hear say he won't go do it. He won't go on a 3-day visit to France to go at least go meet one-on-one with the president of France, will be President Hollande, to also discuss issues. That is issues where concern at least a relationship. Make we establish relationship between the two countries. Make we know as we will take the waiting. They rub minds together. You wash my hand, I wash your hand. Make we know as we will take the move forward. So now waiting, we hear about that one. I will also hear say on top of this visit, say he carries some Ogbonge people and waka this waka, where we say the likes of the National Security Advisor, will be Major General Babagana Monguno, and some other top people for economies, for trade and all that. He carry them waka this journey so that make them know as they will do it in, at least go establish good relationship with France unto at least the development of both countries. Now waiting be the next story. What would they give me with that?
And our final story for all the action story will happen this week. Now as our Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari don't talk say he go wait on the Attorney General of the Federation, that is the #1 person when sabi law pass for the government to begin prosecution of all the people wey we say don chop Nigeria money. He talk say preliminary investigation, that is the first type of investigation when they don do, don show some kind people when the government and private sector wey don chop money, but in dey wait for the Attorney General to come give am advice, so that all the kind roundabout when people dey use the roundabout corruption war, e no go fit happen. And he not tell the EFCC and the ICPC say this time around any work when they must do to ensure say person when chop money when belong to all of us for inside this Nigeria, make him go collect room and parlour for inside prison, say make dem complete am. He no wan hear say initial gra or say dem get starting, dem no get finishing. As we dey wait for the appointment of the Attorney General of the Federation, we dey look say e be like say this war against corruption na the one wey be say Oga Presido don fold in long sleeve, don flex in muscle, say if he no pursue corruption comot for this country, he no go rest. Na the action tori wey happen for the weekend when we don carry come be that. We go throw our telephone lines open so that you sef go call to chook mouth for inside this matter and talk am the way the thing be, so that those wey the matter concern go take the necessary action to move our country forward.
Yes,
not they tell me say yes. He get one. Now you talk the story and the team pay me, but I see say you use quick talk am, come move, throw the next story to me. Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari, father of the nation, vanguard of anti-corruption. The man wey don talk say he wan fight corruption comot for this country 2 weeks ago, him senior news story person declare him asset, make everybody see. Why some governors when we say that they claim say, oh, we love you, we like what you are doing, they don't say they no go declare their own. Talk and make the full Nigeria hear you.
Hey, Constitution give them the right to declare asset.
Nkubi, so you can say this thing in public.
No, right now, no. Look, no get me wrong, because now you throw the question to me, and they give you answer. But even at that, we also look at this way. Is it appropriate for at least anybody that enter any government office to declare assets?
Thank you.
If they go make a very strong law, I go like them. But because of say this people they work based on the law with the on ground, that's why they tell us say they no go declare assets.
Thank you very much. Nkubi,
you understand?
Nkubi, I love this. I love this your answer, and I appreciate say you carry this answer come this way. Now, Constitution talk say make every senior government official declare their assets, so everybody must declare. But because of the trust deficit when they our society, when we say, no, all of us for this country, we know they trust people when they government. Oga Presido, the man when we say no promise, say change. He come and talk, say, okay, I want to make my own public. In vice president, a pastor, a man of God talk say, I will also make my own public. Why governors, when they under am, come they talk say, constitution no agree. May they follow the example when Oga president don set.
Oga Rochas talk.
Wetin he talk?
He talk say he still dey run, he still dey for government. Say he don do first time. So na second time he dey do now. For that reason, say he no get any right. No even fit say he dey declare.
Okay, Nkubi, wetin Oga president tell us last week? President Muhammadu Buhari on asset declaration. He talk say he don declare assets 4 times.
Since 1970.
Thank you. If Oga president don dey declare him own assets since, who is a governor to say, na my second time I dey declare am, make am public? Do you have anything to hide? Nkubi, do you have anything to hide?
Chukwudi, wait, hold on. Take am easy. It's a Monday morning. You can see I'm calm.
Because the question no dey affect you now. Nigerians, can you see accountability, trust, justice, fairness, equity?
Shego Alamit, I dey very calm because Monday, my mood for Monday, they always dey calm. And now that calm mood, I want to take the reply every question wey they ask.
Nkubi, so oya reply. Why Adams Oshiomhole, governor of Edo State, Owele Rochas Okocha, governor of Imo State, talk say they no wan make their own public. When Oga president don't make his own public, we know say constitution no do, but do what is right, morally right.
Are they the only governors in place?
But the two of them don't come and talk say they no go do.
And now make we also ask other governors whether they go declare.
The ones wey not talk say they no go declare, me will ask them first. Let's start from somewhere.
Chukwudi, no. Now that
Nkubi, don't call my name if you want to answer question. No, they call my name if you want to answer question.
See, Chukwudi, you don't make me see. Wait. Constitution gets limits. Constitution get how far person fit follow up constitution reach, and it gets some bounds. I mean, waiting they protect constitution. But if constitution no give you that free total distance, so can't declare my asset. Why? What I'm saying, hold on, no, this is always they shake leg.
You know, say when my leg don't shake, I don't invest. I dey control myself. That's why I put my 2 hands here. Because if I release this hand, something will happen to you. May I continue?
Okay,
continue.
I no talk say e no good. Na good thing because at least make they take the at least know how much you get. Make they take the follow up to know whether they go steal money or they no go steal money. That one they appropriate.
Okay.
But then because of say somehow the constitution no even make them authentic for them to come declare. That is why they find corners to hide. So now waiting they there.
Thank you. They find corners to hide.
Then somehow.
And hiding means say they get something when they don't want to make everybody
you also need to at least talk to make constitution, make the amend that so that constitution will be very strong.
They no need to amend our constitution.
Any person they enter office,
they no need to amend our constitution.
Asset to Nigerians anyhow. They no one know.
Nkubi, constitution don't make am clear say make everybody, every senior government official declare the assets.
How strong is this constitution we make am?
Wetin make Oga President and Professor Yemi Osinbajo come out make their own public? Now because of say they won't get the trust of the people since they make their own public. Nkubi, allow me to talk. You know what? Allow me talk.
Oga OBJ declare one enter.
No, they compare yourself to. No, they compare this government to Oga OBJ.
No.
Nkubi, you know why? Because when they talk say we want change, we want different thing from the party when they before.
I know now. See, I lose.
Why they go? They do the thing when we said that they do before. No be change all of us talk. No be change Nigerians vote for. Why they go? They do the same thing when they do before. Why you go? They even they call OBJ for this matter. Before election, you did the change. Now see what did happen. They must declare their asset or else for this show. Then you go get problem.
I resemble governor for your eye.
But Owele Rochas Okocha and Adams Oshiomhole, which party then they?
And the other political governors.
Which party then they?
And the other governors.
Why 2 of them come out?
Why other governors never declare their own?
You are in trouble. It's already 1-0.
Why other governors never declare their own?
Don't ask me that question.
And whatever you even talk to other people will say they come out of office.
Okay, you go there line. Why you go there question? Why somebody there for telephone line?
Okay, good morning. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igwe. Abeg reduce the volume of your TV. Make you fire Nkubi. I know say you don dey vex for am already.
Nah, I deal with you. Good morning, Oga Shukudi. Oga, the controversial Nkubi, I greet you. Good morning.
Good morning.
They say there's a one parable say they say leader by example.
Thank you.
If the man when he say a preach of change, just can say me, I get 5 mothers, I get this, I get this, I declare. When he make him members, when he be say they say they be governor, not go fit declare the assets.
Wetin make other governors set from other political parties declare their own?
I go tell you newspaper.
No, if sincerely we want sincerity and transparency, everybody supposed join hands say na like this we want to have.
Thank God say you talk of transparency.
Thank you.
Now,
it should reflect in every government.
I go tell you newspaper. I go vex so.
Wait, you talk of transparency and always talk of your massive transparency. If the man at the top don't dey transparent to declare assets, Is there any hidden agenda when it say if
Other people should follow
am?
suit.
When other people follow suit, the ones where they follow the campaign, where they stand for, they say.
Oh no, that's why you won't carry and go.
Nkubi,
Don't
hold
carry and go. That's why you
Hold
go.
it.
There are other people. Make other people carry and go. Make. See, this is a general thing, collectively. Make we declare asset. Make we just restrict that to because of saying this person that belongs,
Nkubi,
that a member of this
will
political
you
party.
respect our caller? Now you buy credit for her.
I better tell us, now for me. It could be if all the members got declared, there's nothing we're going to make the other side, the opposition party.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Ogago, wait till you talk. Thank you very much. Ogago,
you don't make very important point.
Now, good
I am leading
point. But
1-0.
then, not bring
1-0. Thank you very
am
much.
from that angle.
Why not
because
bring am from that
as
angle?
long as this is a country, and as long as we get about 36 states where we make up this country, make everybody come and call the crime. Make not a street to one particular person, party say, okay, make people come and call the crime first. It does not work that way.
Nkubi,
this is a nation.
leadership by
build this
example.
nation together. And
Nkubi,
every state needs to come out, make them lead by example.
If una come and talk say una party, una wan bring something new for Nigeria, and Nigerians accept say yes, so we accept this thing new. If Oga Presido and Vice President fit make their own asset public, the members of the political party wey say dem believe in the fact say him go bring the change, dem suppose follow. Before you even dey call other political parties, dem suppose don set example. Dem suppose don set example.
See my argument.
Not you don't
see
have
my
any
argument.
You
my
don't have any argument.
Listen, my argument be say.
You don't have any argument.
Hold on,
you don't have any argument.
Overtalk.
We go break. You don't have any argument.
We go this break.
We go that break. We do.
See,
when we go this break.
control room, no go this break. I need to reply to this.
You will not reply.
Control room, I need to reply to this.
You reply what?
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.